Welcome to this video, guys. Let's see how we can install pip in Python 3.1 3.2, that is the latest Python version, and how we can install libraries using pip. Now this method will also apply to some older Python versions and some newer Python versions, so if you are on a different Python version, don't worry, this will work the same for you. First, go to this URL. I'll have this link in the description below. Now scroll down. Here you will see different versions of OS. Now I'm on Windows, so I'll click on Windows. Just right click on the script and click on save link as. Now the installation process is same in different OS, so you can follow this even if you are on Linux or Mac. Okay, so I'll just save this in downloads folder. You can save it wherever you want. Once you have saved this, go to the directory where you have saved this. In Windows, press on this address bar here, just click here and type cmd, and this will open command prompt for you. Now you just need to enter python get pip.py and pip will be installed for you. Now if you're on Linux or Mac, just open your terminal and change directory to wherever you have your Python, wherever you have your pip installation. Okay, so once you are there, just enter python and then get pip.py. That is the same command. Okay, you need to make sure that you are inside the directory where you have get pip.py file. Once this is installed, we need to add this path to environment variable so you can use it in any terminal. Okay, so first in Windows, type where Python, and it will show you the path where Python is installed. Now select this path and right click to copy it. So by right clicking, we are just copying this path. Close this, press your Windows key and type environment variables. Click on it, click on environment variables. Here you'll see this path. Double click on this. At the bottom, just paste that and write scripts after that, and make sure the S is capital. So I already have this above here. Okay, so this is what you need to have, and since I already had it, I'll just delete this. Now click on OK, click on OK, click on OK again, and now let's open command prompt again and let's see if pip is installed. So to check, just type pip and hit enter. Now as you can see, you don't get any error. You get a bunch of options that you can use with pip. Now to install a package, you just need to enter this command, pip install and your package name. So let's say if you want to install numpy, just type numpy and numpy will be installed in your Python distribution. So this is how you can install and use pip. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.